Hey, welcome back. Thank you for watching Get Me Out of the Box. Today we will have an unboxing and testing of the NUU Mobile M6 smartphone. So before I unbox this, let's go through the specification here. Okay, quick one, 6.5-inch screen, 3 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, dual SIM, 400 mAh battery, Android 10, and all these marketing thingies. There you go. Okay, it has face unlock because it does not have a fingerprint sensor, which is fine. This is a very cheap phone actually. And there you go. The price is, if it's not on sale, it's 257 ringgit. If it's on sale, it's 189. So let's unbox it and see what we get for 189 ringgit, sorry. So let's just open it up. Box is pretty good. It has this outer sleeve here, unnecessary, but okay. Has a very plain white box. Let's open it. Come on. Okay, there you go. A bit tight there. There you go. Okay. The phone itself. Let's see what we get underneath. Oh, it folds up like this. Oh, okay. You get your quick start guide, which we're not going to read anyways. A few NUU Mobile stickers. A SIM eject tool. Is it a SIM eject tool? No, I don't think so. What is this? It is not in a SIM eject tool because the back, you can pry open the back to replace the battery, so I'm not sure what this is for. We get a case. There you go. We get the huge 4000 mAh battery. Oh, they were rounding off. It's actually 3950 mAh. Oh my god, you get a lot inside. You get the charging cable, which is USB-C, impressive. You get a pair of cheap earphones, impressive. And you get the charging brick, which is 7.5 watts. And you get a converter as well. Okay, do you see how much you get for cheap? 489 ringgit, which is how much USD? Let me just convert it real quick. For 189 ringgit, it's only $42 USD. So for $42, you get all of this. You get a charger, you get a case, you get a replaceable battery, you get USB-C, and you get the earphones. Wow. It seems nowadays that the less you pay, the more you get. Apple, take note. Okay, so the star of the show is of course the phone. Let's just see. I think it comes with a pre-installed screen protector like most of these Chinese phones are, I think. Let's just peel that off. No, this is yes, there's a screen protector there, a bit of bubble there. Let me just fix that a bit, and let's try to peel it off again. And there you go. Okay, it's very slim. Matte finish on the back. We got the four cameras, which of course it's a lie. This phone is too cheap to have 4 cameras. Power button there. Volume rockers, Okay, selfie camera there, earpiece, speaker, and the microphone. Alright, so let's just peel off the back and install the battery now, shall we? Okay, let me just unpack the battery here and let's install this battery together. Okay, this is how you do it. There's a notch there. I think is that what the tool is supposed to do? How hard is it to pry open? Nah, it's not bad. You pry this open, you can use your nails. Make sure you have long nails. There you go. Okay, we have the two SIM ports here and a micro SD slot. There you go. Let's install the battery like this, and then let's put the cover back on like this. Is it in? Is it all the way in? Yeah, I think it's all the way in. Oh no, I missed some at the top here. Yeah. I think I still miss a bit up here, but never mind. I'll take a look at it later. Let's just turn it on. Let's see if we have juice. We should still have juice. Yes, we have juice. Okay, hi, welcome back. So I've set up the phone. I've inserted my SIM card into this phone as well. This phone accepts nano SIMs, and from the looks of it, it supports 4G LTE for real. Okay, so after installing all these apps, after setting up everything, okay, the space that we're left with is 49.42 gigabytes. Okay, 49.42 gigabytes right there. And I think I can confirm that this phone is in fact running on Android 10. Okay, if I tap this, okay, there you go, Android 10. And if we check the specifications real quick with CPU-Z, the specifications are all tallying up with what they're advertising. Running on MediaTek Helio A22. Okay, the resolution, the RAM, the storage, everything running on Android version 10, API level 29. Okay. Why does this ad have to, why does it have to appear now? Oh my. Okay, sorry about that. We have the sensors in the phone: accelerometer, light sensor, proximity sensor, which works, and yeah, that's great and all. Using IDA 64, we have the same thing as well. It is running on MT6761, 3 gigabytes of RAM, okay, 64 gigs of storage. CPU Helio A20, which I have no idea why this AIDA 64 says A20 and CPU-Z says A22, but I'm not worried about that. At least they're being honest. At least this phone manufacturer is being honest with their specifications. They did not inflate the specification that much. Battery, yeah, 3950 mAh, and I think that's all. So let's just test out this phone in terms of its performance when we run usual apps, when we are gaming. Let's snap a few photos and videos and wrap it up and call it a day. Okay. So in terms of running apps like Chrome, for example, let's just open up a website like this one. As you can see, it performs okay. If we open up a new tab, for example, let's just try Malaysia Kini, why not? Let's just pick up this news. As you can see, okay, this phone is performing well for simple apps like this, like Chrome, like Instagram, and I'm pretty sure that it will run WhatsApp and Telegram just as well, because those are not very processor intensive apps. And why is The Rock taking a dump? I'm not sure, but okay, so we have established that apps like these, TikTok, Instagram, I guess Facebook as well, will run just fine on this phone. So there you go. It will be good enough to run Instagram, Chrome, and your simple apps. So let's test out the YouTube performance on the new M6 mobile phone. Let's choose the Big Bug Bunny video. I rotate it a bit, and there you go. The video plays well. So this is the sound that you can expect to come out of this phone. It's not very loud, it's just a mono speaker, but overall, video playback for YouTube is fine, so no complaints there. Not bad, not bad. Oh, there you go, there's a bit of stutter there, but that is to be expected. And I guess, there you go, if you see, the highest resolution that you can support with this phone is 1080p 60 fps. I guess you can lower the resolution a bit if you are experiencing slowdowns or stuttering in your video. So in terms of YouTube, this is a pass for the new M6. So let's move on to the next test. So in terms of gaming, I've installed 2 apps which are games, which I will test this phone with. First is the Knife Hit, which is a simple to run game, and 2 Call of Duty, which is more processor intensive. So let's just try to run the Knife Hit first. Let's play. Okay, that is running quite well. There you go. Okay, there's a bit of a lag there, but I guess that's fine. Overall, it's fine, I guess. Okay, so that's for Knife Hit. So this is the phone running Call of Duty Mobile. I think this is on the low setting, but I cannot confirm now. It will run, so let's see. So I think this is in the low setting. I think it's not bad. Still run over here. Go shoot some people. There we go.
We lost the lead.
So Call of Duty will run. There we go. So you can safely say that this phone will run Call of Duty Mobile. So not bad, and yeah, not bad for a cheap phone. Let's shoot this guy before we end this. Okay, that's all. In terms of the camera, this is the camera layout right here. There's video, photo, beauty, face cute, okay, bokeh, and night mode. Okay, so there are multiple modes that you can choose when it comes to the camera. Let me just take one photo here and show you what the quality is like. So that photo right there, and let's try to record a video. Highest resolution that you can record is 1080p. So hello, this is the video that I'm recording right now. Is it good? Is it not good? Okay, that's all. Alright, so that is the camera performance for the NUU mobile, for the NUU M6. Hello, this is the video that I'm recording right now. Is it good? Is it not good? Okay, that's all. Alright, so that concludes my testing of the phone, the basic features, how it performs, how you can expect it to perform if you use it. In my honest opinion, for 189 ringgit or 42 USD, this is a good deal right here. If you don't need a phone to game on, if you don't need a phone to do intensive tasks, if you just need a phone to look at your news, to browse your Instagrams, and maybe occasionally game, I would definitely put this in your list, if you have a list, that is. Okay, you should consider this. It's not that expensive, and this will be the perfect phone to give to your child, give to your kids as their first phone, because it's not so powerful, but at least it can still run some games, keep them entertained, and this will be a better option than buying those cheap Chinese phones that are unbranded, and you might get a fake phone with fake memory and fake Android versions. At least this phone has been certified by Google Play Store. You see, it is certified by Google Play Store, and I can verify that it is running on Android 10, even though a bit outdated, but at least it's not running a super outdated version of Android. So yes, definitely this should be in your watch list, in your cart, and probably purchase it for yourself, or maybe purchase it for your parents if you want to, because for me this is not bad. This is not bad, even though it does not have a fingerprint scanner. That's fine. There's a face unlock which you can unlock with your face. Let me see, am I able to unlock it with my face? I've enrolled my face. Please unlock. There you go. It has face unlock. It's able to face unlock. You can use your password, okay, your pin here. So I would say yes, I can definitely recommend this if you're looking for a low budget phone that is not so expensive, that can run games, that can do simple tasks. This should be in your consideration. You should consider this. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.